Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to disconnect Wi-Fi in Realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. Then here you will see many app icon. Click on the setting icon. Then here you will see many more options. You have to scroll down and click on the Wi-Fi option. Wi-Fi is already off, so firstly turn on Wi-Fi. After that here you will see some nearby network name which is already connected to your mobile phone. If you want to disconnect any Wi-Fi network, click on the detail icon. Then click on the remove this network. Then click on remove. In this way Wi-Fi is disconnected to your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us.